Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. The BMW X1 faced the Euro NCAP crash tests, and here's what you need to know. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remains stable, providing good protection for knees and femurs. However, there's some concern over the weak chest protection for the driver. In the full-width barrier test, the rear passenger's chest protection was marginal, though the car performed well in other areas. Side impacts? The X1 excelled, scoring maximum points in both side barrier and side pole tests. With center airbags for far-side crashes and post-collision automatic braking, the X1 delivers safety, but there's room for improvement in chest protection. Would this concern you as a buyer? Let us know below. Stay tuned to our channel for the next crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.